In today's video, we're going to cover how to add a client since date in Clio Manage. You should already be logged in to Clio Manage and looking at your main dashboard. From here, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click Contacts. This opens the area where your client and contact records are stored. Once you are on the Contacts page, find the client you want to update. You can scroll through the contact list if you want to browse manually, or you can use the search bar to look up the record directly. Either option will take you to the same result, so use the one that fits the size of your contact list. When you locate the correct client, click the client's name to open the contact profile. This is where you can review the existing information tied to that contact before making any changes. Take a moment to confirm that you have opened the right profile so the date is added to the correct record. Next, click Edit Contact. This switches the profile from View mode into Editing mode, where the client details can be updated. After the Edit screen opens, look through the contact details until you find the Client Since field. When you see the Client Since field, click into it. A calendar will appear so you can choose the appropriate date. Select the date that reflects when this person became a client. If the calendar shows multiple months or navigation controls, use those as needed to move to the correct date, and then select it. After choosing the date, check the field once more to confirm the correct client since date has been entered. This is the point where you want to verify both the day and the year, especially if you move through the calendar to select an earlier date. A quick review here helps avoid saving the wrong information to the contact record. Once the date looks correct, click Save Contact to apply the change. Clio Manage will save the updated details and return you to the client's profile, or keep you within the contact view depending on your screen layout. After the save is complete, return to the client's profile if needed and look for the client since date in the contact information. Confirm that the date is now displayed correctly on the profile. This final check makes sure the update was saved and is visible where you expect it to appear. Thanks for watching. The client's profile in Clio Manage now shows the correct client since date.